Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn to Build. Some penguin, penguin, since the group back to build, doing the group multiply, doing the group center, penguin take, doing the group penguin itself, doing the group penguin, doing the group twin, doing the group bubble submitted, doing the big from one to go. Okay, so now we're up on truth on something later, something moment outside. So yeah. Then we had to be a pro and be included on the branding imprint. Like we now today. It one in the pot bow on the set. So yeah. So yeah. We also had the 400 bumper. 300 bumper. But the build have been depend on the country to build take on Monday. So yeah. We run some of the build. So that under time made some from that of the against